Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 9th standard maths chapter 5 coordinate geometry exercise 5.2 first question. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. First subdivision 1, 2 and 4, 3. Now we are going to find out the distance between these two points. Okay, first take this point as x1, y1. This point as x2, y2. Our first number represent x distance, second number represent y distance. Okay. So our distance formula is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So substitute all the values in this formula. Square root of what is our x2? 4 minus what is our x1? 1 the whole square plus what is our y2? 3 minus what is our y1? 2 the whole square. Next you keep your square root as it is and then you have to find out the value for 4 minus 1 3 square plus 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1 square and then 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 square is nothing but 1 into 1 and then 9 plus 1 10. So root 10 units. So our distance unit is units. Okay. So our first sum answer is root 10 units. Second subdivision 3, 4 and minus 7, 2. So take this as x1, y1. Take this as x2, y2. Now our distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So square root of x2 is nothing but minus 7 minus, this is our formula minus x1 is nothing but 3 the whole square plus our y2 is 2 minus y1 is 4 the whole square. Again square root of these two are same sign numbers. So you have to add both the numbers and put the same sign. So minus 7 plus 3 10 the whole square plus here we are having two different sign numbers. So you have to subtract both the numbers and put the greater number sign. 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. Our greater number is 4. The sign of 4 is minus. So minus 2 the whole square. Understood? And then keep your square root as it is. Now we have to find out the square of minus 10. So square of minus 10 is square of minus is plus. Okay, minus into minus plus. And then 10 square is nothing but 100. 10 into 10, 100. Again, square of minus 2. So, the square of minus is plus. Again, 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2, 4. So, now we have to add both the numbers. 100 plus 4, 104. Now, we have to simplify this 104. Factorize this 104. 2 table, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1 12, 6 2s are 12. Again 2 table 13 and then square root is nothing but we have to take a pair numbers. So in this pair we are having 2 2s no. So outside the square root you have to write only 1 2 and then this 2 having no pair. This 13 also having no pair. So you have to multiply both the numbers and put this number as in the square root. So square root of 26. So 2 square root of 26 units. So this is our second sum answer. Now we move on to the third sum. Third sum is nothing but A, B and C, D. So our distance formula is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Take this A as x1, B as y1. C as x2, D as y2. Substitute all the values for x1, y1, x2, y2. So what is our x2 here? C. Minus what is our x1 here? A. C minus A the whole square. Plus what is our y2 here? C comma B. Sorry, this is our B. Okay. What is our y2 here? B minus y1 is nothing but again B. So B minus B the whole square. Now keep this C minus A the whole square as it is. So this is not a number, no, this is our variable. So you keep this number as it is, plus B minus B is nothing but 0, 0 square. Again, so 0 square is nothing but 0. So you should not take this value. Now we have to find out the value for this one. So what is the meaning of square root? Square root is nothing but power half. Am I correct or not? So square root is nothing but power half. And then this 2 and this half gets cancelled. So our final answer is nothing but C minus A. C minus A units. That's all. Fourth subdivision. We have to find out the distance between these 2 points. 3, minus 9 and minus 2, 3. So take this point as x1, y1. This point as x2, y2. Substitute all those values in this formula. X2 is nothing but minus 2 minus x1 is nothing but 3. So minus 2 minus 3 the whole square plus y2 is nothing but 3. Y1 is nothing but minus 9. Here also we are having one minus sign. So multiply this minus sign with this minus sign. So we have plus. So plus 9 the whole square equal to square root of these two are same sign numbers. So add those two numbers and put the same sign. Minus 5 the whole square plus 9 plus 3 12, 12 square. Again minus 5 the whole square is nothing but minus 5 into minus 5. So plus 25 plus 12 square is nothing but 144. Equal to square root of 169. So what is the value for square root of 169? 169 can be factorized by 13 into 13. So now we are having two 13s here. So the value of square root of 169 is nothing but 113. 13 units. That's all. Thank you, students.